Withdrawing money from your Wells Fargo account to transfer it to another bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete your withdrawal. Step 1. Log into your Wells Fargo account. Visit the Wells Fargo website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once logged in, look for the Transfers option in the main menu. Click on it to access the transfer options available for your account. Step 3. Select the transfer type. Choose the type of transfer you want to make. For withdrawing money to another bank account, select Transfer to another bank or External Transfer depending on the options provided. Step 4. Enter transfer details. Input the amount you wish to withdraw and select the bank account you want to transfer the funds to. Ensure that you have linked the external bank account to your Wells Fargo account beforehand. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw money from your Wells Fargo account to your other bank account. Always ensure your account details are correct to avoid any issues with the transfer.